See these shoulders. Why is that so tight? Is that a bit tender?
Yeah, very.
Anything discomfort? Oh, it's a bit stiff, huh?
Yeah.
But no, you scared?
Yeah.
No.
Ooh, satisfying noise.
That's your first time.
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds a little bit less than the other side. That's good. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, it's not.
Not as scary as you thought, right?
It's just because I kind of do it myself anyway. I just twist my head and it goes.
No. That's the least thing we would recommend for patients to do. By yourself, you don't know which one you're adjusting, so you might keep adjusting the ones already loosened. So you're enhancing this instability for this segment. It's a bit hunching before, huh?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Because you're tall.
Yeah. I can try and sit.
Try to, yeah. Wrap around. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. Try to take some breathing. Breathe out. Wow. You alright?
I'm very quiet.
A bit tender?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Ooh. Wow. That's very tight. You're not doing any pec stretching?
On occasion.
That makes sense.
Probably not enough.
No,
But I had the feeling of it.
Okay. I like to use massage gun for my legs. Yeah, especially after tennis training. Yeah, because we need to run a lot on the court. And breathe. Very crunchy everywhere, huh?
Yeah.